What's good, everybody? It's your girl Lady Red, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, you guys. Today I am just having a little cucumber salad, some cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes. I don't really have an appetite, but I figured I'd come on here and chit chat with you guys about the recent events with me and YouTube, which I don't understand. So before I get into that, I have some Russian dressing and I have a Dr. Pepper, glass of ice on the side. So let's get into it. I really like this Dr. Pepper cream soda. Get my sippy sip. So, if you don't have anything to eat, snack on, or drink on, I suggest you pause this video, go grab that, come back and eat with your girl. Don't have me eating by myself. And I have a little bit of bacon on my salad. Let's see. Bring it closer. I hope you guys are having a great day. How was your Valentine's Day? Bacon always makes things better. So you guys, I'm a little disappointed and upset because I did a Taco Tuesday with my granddaughters on Tuesday, and I woke up Wednesday morning and it had already had 60 views, but the comments were off. And then as I was going to fix the comments, all of a sudden the video disappeared and it said the video was removed. Something about YouTube policy or something like that. And I didn't understand why. So I did the appeal. And I appealed twice. And every time it came back with my appeal being rejected, because they said something about I violated YouTube guidelines and Child Safety Act and nudity. And I'm like, what are they talking about? Now, the video has 60 views, so if anybody's seen that video, you know nobody was naked in that video. Why would I do that? That makes absolutely no sense. So, I didn't do a video yesterday because I was just like, I was down in the dumps. That was really retarded, and it's scary because it's like, okay, I have over 400 videos, and never got a complaint from YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So it's a little scary. You know, one of our fellow YouTubers, she had her YouTube channel taken away completely without any warning or notification. So it's like, what is YouTube doing? We work too hard on our channels for them to do stuff without giving us a warning or a strike or something. So excuse me, I'm very confused. So what I did was, I can't deal with these robots making these decisions. So I communicated with a human through YouTube chat. They supposed to give my information to the people that work internally and have them look over my channel and the video. And now it's just a waiting game, because I really don't understand that. And it was so good. My girls did so good in the video with the ASMR, and my little Blazy, she was talking. It was such a nice video. For them to say child safety, I violated Child Safety Act. Now, I don't know if that could be, but why would they go so drastic with the wording that way? I know my channel is set on not for kids, but when I try to put it on for kids, it turns the comments off. So I hope the video can be reinstated if they look at it carefully and see that none of that is going on. And they were so excited. So excited. It's a really nice video. But I didn't have an appetite yesterday, and I didn't really have an appetite today, but I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys real quick about that, because I don't understand. I love this dressing. Russian, Thousand Island, French, and Russian are my top 3 dressings. That is so irritating. So I said I'm not going to push it. After this person gets back to me through email and lets me know whether they can reinstate it or not. If they don't, I'm going to leave it alone and remove the videos completely, because it's still there, but it's just a black screen with the circle with the line through the middle and the red $sign. So I'm gonna shorten it up like I do a lot of my videos, and just post it on Instagram and Facebook for you guys to see. But alright, you guys, I'm about to get up out of here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Sharing is caring, so do that solid and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I'm Lady Red, and I'm out.